Hello, this is my 1948 CJ2A Willy's Jeep up for sale, located in Southern Oregon. Just going to do a quick walk around. As you can see, this thing has been well kept. It's been in the same family since new. The grandson bought it off the grandfather's estate years ago, and I just picked it up off of him, offering it to you. He kept it up, maintained it really well. I mean, it's not a perfect Jeep. It's a very usable daily driver, however often you want to use it type Jeep. It's not a show Jeep, but it's definitely nothing to be embarrassed about. You're probably noticing the higher windshield. That's off the CJ3. Previous owner was a tall guy and he wanted more visibility, so he got it. Comes with a near new soft top. Very good shape. No rips, no tears, no stains. Nice clear window. Has two water tanks, one's attached. One old style military tire. The current tires are more street worthy, if you will. The rear seat is gone. Of course, you can pick that up if you want to. It's got these cool matching heavy canvas type seats. You're gonna love under the hood how clean it is. I know I do. Original color, you can tell, is a maroonish reddish color, but lots of maintenance into this one. Record radiator, nice clean everything, well maintained, very good looking, very nice new battery, just very well taken care of. This Jeep does have some cancer in it on the floor. All fixable. You got along the right or passenger floor there. Underneath the passenger side, you got some there. Everything else looks on this side good. Everything looks good back here. Good there. The driver's side has a spot there. Then in between the seat base or the fuel tank there. And a little soft spot. And that's, I believe, is it. Of course, all fixable. I'll pull this one up so you can see under here. You can see the original color. That's not rusted through, just that spot there. Some newer gauges. Just a very cool Jeep. Stabilizer was added on there just for nicer control over the road, pavement. So there you go. I'm gonna start it up so you can hear it. Okay, so I'm going to start the Jeep up. Hear it run. It's not warmed up, but it's not exactly cold either, so let's see what we get. She lives. Emergency brake works. Choke works. Flathead just pulling along there. Good looking as can be. Quiet. No smoke. Alright, take a road test now.